Hey, it's Gina with WTI. It's time to put down your devices and spend some time actually connecting with your friends and family face to face by playing this giant Connect 4 game that I got from Bucher&Rossini. Although this is lightweight and it's easy to slide the sides of the whole board into the base, it is actually really steady. We love the size of this. It is large. It's 2 feet tall by 3 feet wide. And it just makes it so much fun to be able to play, especially out in the yard. If you do happen to dump the pieces, they're easy to find. And I love the look of it. A lot of other Giant Connect 4s are made out of plastic, and I love the wood grain on this. And then it comes with a carrying bag so that you can keep the pieces all in one place. The wood is smooth, so even if like a child was to reach into the holes, they're not going to get splinters or anything like that. I think this game is a great way to connect with family. It's going to be the perfect addition to your game nights, and that's my point of view.